This is the story of Bob. He's a busy professional who works with his mobile phone a lot. But one day, the unfortunate happened. Bob's phone dropped and the screen was cracked so badly such that Bob was scared. He started to search for a reliable repair service that could take his phone and repair it without any hassles, but couldn't find one. Bob needs his phone for his daily work and couldn't find a way around this situation until luckily when he discovered CellCare Phone Repair. CellCare Phone Repair is a cell phone repair business that, along with being able to repair almost any kind of phone, provides the following services: software data recovery, unlocking of locked phones, and the buying and selling of unlocked phones. CellCare Phone Repair has 3 locations, and Bob was able to easily navigate to one of the locations quickly to repair his phone. We took his phone in for a repair, replaced the screen, and it was as good as new again. Bob was so happy that he found a reliable phone repair service that could fix his phone once and for all. Need to repair your phone? Be like Bob. Come into any of our locations at CellCare Phone Repair and we'll be happy to help you.